Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of the RhinoShield CrashGuard, a bumper case for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. And they changed the packaging a little bit, so you have a clean, clear front, and this is the back. And the way you open this is push this tab or pull this. There should be a pull tab right here. And opened up, and the case will be wrapped around this plastic, and you get this black paper, which is the instruction. So they show you how to install the phone case, the bumper case, onto the phone. Yeah, so they changed the packaging, and they also changed the material of the case. This case, it now feel a little smoother, and it feel a bit better than the old material, the one that they use on the S9 on the S8 and the S8 Plus, which I reviewed a few months ago. So they still have the same basically design, right? Just the rubber piece that wrapped around the side of the phone. But it feels really nice. It feels much better than the one that they use on the S8. The button feel a bit tough to to press. It is much harder to press, but you still have that clicky feedback. But it is much harder to press. So it is harder for me to take a screenshot because I have to hold it harder. Yeah, as you can see, it is much harder to press. And they have the same problem on the S8 version, but they changed it. They changed the design, so the S8 version is now feel better when you press the button. Easier for you to press the button. They should have learned the lesson by now, right? But the button is still a bit hard to press, so they might release a second version of this case later on. You still have the port, the cutout for the microphone on top, and the cutout for the headphone jack, and the USB Type-C, the microphone, and the speaker. And the side, it is a bit flimsy, but not too much. I don't really mind. Overall, I like the case, I like the design, except for the button. This case, it is a bit tight. It hurt the phone really well. That's why when you drop the phone face down, the phone's not going to pop out of the case. So I feel very confident to drop the phone face down on a flat surface, of course, since the case is really tight. It does not go well with the Dbrand skin. Let me take this off. Okay, so I have the Dbrand skin installed, right? And when I put the case on, it pushed the bottom skin up. I have to use a knife and a razor to cut some of it off, as you can see. And also right here on top. Yeah, so it does not go really well with the Dbrand skin. So just keep that in mind. And they still use the same texture inside the case, the honeycomb texture. They say that this is supposed to add 10% of drop protection. And when I put the case on, because I have a Dbrand skin, I have to line it up so that it doesn't push the top skin, like so, and then pop the bottom in, like so. Yeah, so overall, I like the case, but they still need to change the design because of the side button. And I also like the texture. And if you have a Dbrand skin, I don't recommend you buying a RhinoShield bumper case. unless you want to sacrifice some of the beauty of your skin like me. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.